Did you know 90% of all life insurance policies issued in the United States never pay a death benefit? 20 million policies worth $1.3 trillion in face value were abandoned last year alone. It's unfortunate and sad because your unwanted, unneeded, or unaffordable life insurance policy can be an incredible asset. Senior Life Funding can obtain more money for your life policy through a life settlement than you would receive through a surrender or lapse. It's simple, easy, and free to seek offers. A life settlement is a transaction in which you sell your existing life insurance policy to an investor. You receive an immediate cash payment for selling your policy. The investor becomes the policy's new owner and beneficiary and is responsible for all future premium payments. There are any number of reasons why someone might choose to sell their life insurance. For example, when term policies are about to expire, lose their conversion privileges, or come to the end of the current premium guarantee, don't let it lapse. These policies may be worth 10 to 40% of the face value to professional investors like Warren Buffett, who's bought more than $6 billion of life settlements over the past decade. When couples get divorced or beneficiaries change or pass away, you may be overinsured or not want or need to continue to pay expensive premiums for a policy that's no longer needed. When business owners retire, pass the business to the next generation, or sell or leave the business for any reason, existing buy-sell, key man, and/or fringe benefit policies are no longer required. Life policy owners in their 80s still have policies where their kids, who are 50 or 60 years old, are the beneficiaries, but don't want or need their parents' money. People with policies originally purchased to cover estate tax needs may not need this insurance due to tax law changes and market fluctuations, especially if you live in Indiana, given the recent estate tax law changes. Using a life settlement as an alternative to a reverse mortgage, or in lieu of selling income-producing assets, allows use of the payout to purchase additional income-producing investments or subsidize annual living expenses to provide stability and peace of mind. And finally, chronic or catastrophic illness or health issues can strike anyone of any age and financial station. Selling policies in these situations allows the life settlement proceeds to be used to pay for medical or senior health care, tax-free. Senior Life Funding helps appraise, negotiate, and sell your life insurance. We do all the hard work. You just need to fill out our online eligibility assessment or call us to determine whether you are eligible. If so, you can fill out a life settlement application and obtain a copy of your policy, both with our help. Next, Senior Life Funding will work with licensed life settlement purchasers to get the highest offer for your policy. This can take some time, but we do all the work. We will report offers to you as we get them. You simply need to select the highest offer. If none of the offers are high enough to satisfy you, you can walk away with no obligation. Even if you accept an offer, you have a short period after selling your policy to return your life settlement payment and get your policy back intact. We don't get paid anything unless you decide to accept an offer. Once you sell, we are paid a commission by the buyer. We'll tell you exactly what that commission would be when we present each offer. If you accept an offer, we'll help you fill out the closing agreement in which you sell your policy to the purchaser. Your payment will be placed in escrow. Once the purchaser receives your policy, the payment will be released from escrow into your bank account. At that point, that money is yours to do with as you please. As you can see, a life settlement is a very low-risk transaction. If we can't get you the offer you want, you can just say no. We won't charge you anything, and we won't hassle you about your decision. You literally have nothing to lose by calling us, but you may lose thousands of dollars if you don't. So why not give us a call today?